Let's see how to add tools with tabs in Microsoft Teams. First, open the channel or the chat where you want to add the tool. I'll go here to my Project Ideas channel. Now, look at the top here. You'll see some tabs like Posts and Files. Beside it, there is a little plus sign icon to add a new tab. Teams gives you a tons of tools to choose from like Planner, OneNote, and even third-party apps like Trello or Asana. I'll just pick OneNote for this example because it's great for taking shared notes. Just follow the prompts to set it up and then click Save and then your tab is added. That's it. Once it's set up, everyone in the channel can access it right here at the top. And if you want to add more tools, just click that plus sign again and explore your options. And that's how to add tools with tabs in Microsoft Teams. See you soon!